Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a beautiful, uniquely designed, stately family home in the quiet, peaceful hills of West Oakridge in St. Andrew. The main home has 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, powder room, TV room, study room, kitchen, and a very large living room with 2 balconies capturing breathtaking views of the mountains and city. Across the carport are the helpers area, along with an enclosed washroom area and a small office. There is also an outdoor storage room. The land is over 31,000 square feet, expanding downwards towards Manning's Hill. Very ideal for further development. Can be sold with or without furniture. Perfect for the investor or a discerning buyer, ready to restore this home to its former glory. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 85 million or US $552,200. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.